In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sign in to Wealthfront online account login tutorial. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go, what to look for, and how to enter your information confidently on both the website and the mobile app. First, let's get you to the right place. On a computer, open your preferred web browser and head to the official Wealthfront website. Take a quick second to confirm you're on the legitimate site. The web address should include the company's correct domain, and you should see a secure padlock icon in the address bar. On the homepage, look toward the top right corner for the login or sign in button and click it. If you're on a phone or tablet, simply open the Wealthfront app you've already installed from your device's official app store. On the app's opening screen, look for the sign in option and tap it. A small tip here, make sure your internet connection is stable so the sign in page loads quickly. Now it's time to enter your credentials. In the email field, type the email address associated with your Wealthfront account. Enter it carefully, watching out for extra spaces or autocorrect changes that can sneak in on mobile keyboards. Next, move to the password field and enter your password exactly as you created it. Passwords are case sensitive, so check that caps lock isn't on by mistake and that your keyboard hasn't switched languages. If you use a password manager, this is a great moment to let it fill in your details to avoid typos. Many sign-in forms also include a show or hide icon for the password field. Toggling it on briefly can help you confirm you've typed everything correctly without errors. Once both fields are filled, go ahead and submit your information. Click or tap the login or sign-in button to proceed. If the button appears grayed out, make sure both the email and password fields are completed. After you press the button, give it a moment to process. Avoid clicking repeatedly, as that can cause the page to reload unnecessarily. If you see an error message, it usually means something didn't match, and double-check your email spelling and password case and try again. Keep an eye on any on-screen prompts that may appear, and follow them within the sign-in page itself. That's it. Simple and secure. You've navigated to the login page, entered your credentials, and submitted them successfully. If you found this helpful, stay tuned for more straightforward tutorials, and thanks for watching.